See what's possible when proven performance meets a powerful new partnership. Join TRAK Machine Tools and Syracuse Supply on June 3rd for a special open house event in upstate New York. We're proud to be working with Syracuse Supply, the longest running machine tool distributor in the United States, to bring TRAK technology directly to their customers. Experience live demonstrations of TRAK tool room mills and lathes featuring Proto-TRAK CNCs with TRAK product experts on site to show you how you can program faster, reduce setup time, and get more done with less complexity. The event runs from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Syracuse Supply's Buffalo facility in Cheektowaga, New York. Live machine demos, food and refreshments, networking opportunities, and door prizes. Hope you'll join us there.